Want to start your web design agency in 2025? Don't do it alone. Here is the exact blueprint I wish I had when I was starting out. Most people try to do everything themselves. Sales, call, invoices, doing the design work, everything. That's why they burned out very fast. If I had to start from scratch today, this is how exactly I will do it. So the step one is to build proof of work. Nobody cares about your services if you don't have any proof of work or your experience. There are already agencies and freelancers that has a lot of experience and that they can do it cheap. So pick a niche. It can be healthcare, SaaS, AI, or any other niche. Mine was healthcare, and I have built a lot of websites for healthcare, not just websites but ads, social media designs, and all of the other designs for healthcare. And now it's very easy for me to convince any healthcare center to hire me. So if you are starting out, redesign their website for absolutely free or for cheap. That way you will have confidence that you can complete this job. Don't make them just pretty, make sure that those works. Not like just Dribble and Behance mockups, but take inspiration from real websites that already exist on Google. Document everything, right? Before and after shots, all of the things that are very important doing redesign for a website, especially in healthcare. A very small example is that, what kind of header does healthcare organization need? What kind of hero section does they need? Or the elements that they need on the hero section. And also create a before and after shot of their website, right? Before, how does it look, and how does it look now? So that when you get a new client or you are trying to get a new client, you can show them before and after results that will easily convince them to hire you. Go for small wins, like taking a feedback from the client. It can be in a form of a video or it can be a form of a text. You can share that with the client. That can increase the trust and they can hire you very fast. Also start posting those screenshots, those feedbacks, those testimonials, those before and after shots on your stories, on your posts, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, any social media platform. Don't wait for perfect website or designs that you have made or you will be making. Every design counts and it will give you a way to improve, and also it will get you some clients, because client will only hire you if they can see you. Now the next step is to build a pipeline. Let me tell you a truth. Getting a client is very difficult and you have to be very precise and you have to be very quality focused to get clients. So what you have to do is to pick a channel, right? It can be LinkedIn or Instagram. Only one channel in the beginning and then you can expand. Mostly I get healthcare clients from LinkedIn through cold DMs, and I have bought LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which can help me get more leads without any worry. And on LinkedIn or any Twitter platform, I will recommend to start with LinkedIn and Twitter for getting clients and start posting there, right? Talk about client pain points, talk about how you can solve a problem or how you have solved the problem for any client. Not just that, but you can also show your progress, you can show your mistakes, you can show your experience with a client or with any other person, and that will gain you trust. It will be very easy for you to then sell your services once you build trust. Now let's talk about step 3. Step 3 is to get your first 5 clients, and it can be paid or free clients. But once you reach that 5 client goal, you will get a lot of value from them, as well as you will be very confident to close more clients. The most important lesson I have learned while as an agency owner is that sell outcomes, not pages or not Figma file, not WordPress website, but outcomes, results. And it is very easy to get results for clients if you start with a call, right? Book a call with the client and talk about all of their businesses, how it is going right now, what revenue it is bringing, how they are getting leads, how is their website any good, and all of those things, right? Once you focus on their business and take their business as your own business, it will be much easier to talk about outcomes, results. And once you reach those results or goals for your client, they will be happy to pay you any amount and they will be happy to bring more clients for you. And that's the main secret for my agency success. And because those are your first 5 projects, make sure that you deliver fast, communicate fast, over deliver, and make sure that their response is wow, that's amazing. Now let's talk about step 4, which is very important, and that is building system. Without a system, you cannot have an agency running for you. You will be a freelancer in an agency disguise. Use tools like Figma, Slack, ClickUp, communicate faster with the clients, and all of these things. Also create templates like onboarding template, project template, SOPs for each your employee, and all of these these things. Anything that is doing or going on repeatedly, create a Loom video, email, or a template that is repeatedly happening, like landing page, right? You need to design a landing page for your client. Now you can create a template or anything that can make it faster to deliver the landing page. Create a document, Google Doc, in which you can add all of the mistakes or the things that are repeatedly happening, and your employee or the team that is working with you can refer to that doc anytime. Don't build your business from scratch every time. Build it once and reuse it every time. The goal is predictability, not chaos. Now let's talk about step number 5. Scale beyond you. Now it's time to scale. Hire designers, developers, graphic designers, content writers, project manager that can help you deliver fast without even including you. Create SOPs, like every task that is repeatedly happening, you can create a task. Any mistakes that they make or anything that they miss, you can create a document and include that, or create a Loom video. I will highly recommend that, and add it to a Google Drive, right? So that they can refer to that doc or Loom video. Every time you hire a new person, you don't have to explain everything to them, but you can just introduce them to SOPs or that Loom videos that will help them easily start work on the project or website right away. Now it's time to turn your clients into monthly retainers, so you don't have to worry about invoices every time. Position yourself as a design partner or a dev partner or a growth partner, so that clients are just working with you regularly, paying monthly basis or yearly basis. It will be very easy for you to get more clients and work on sales. This was end of the 5 steps on how you can start your agency in 2025. But here's very important things that I want to share with you. Launch, then polish. Focus on launching the website, your agency, anything, right? Then you can polish that for your client or for yourself. Don't wait for perfect moment or perfect design or perfect product. Sales is very important than design. If you don't have any sales, you don't have any clients, the design does not matter. So focus on sales. If you have more clients, then everything is solvable with profit or revenue. Working in one niche is very important than working with everything, like all-in-one services, right? No one will buy that because people want a specific solution to a specific problem. Focus on one niche and then you can expand. Don't focus on designs that are like award-winning. Focus on cash flow. Focus on designs that bring cash flow for your client and for you as well. 0 to 10K is skills, but if you want to go from 10K to 100K, you need systems. And last but not the least, work on your agency, not in the agency. Want more content like this? Don't forget to check out Hans Circle, my community, where I break down every step in detail. You can join for free, link in the description. And that's it for today. If you need any help, don't forget to comment below and I will answer. See you in the next one.